To stay connected with stories and storytellers, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon now. The final year exams are the most crucial time of every graduate. With a lot of mixed feeling to pass out from college and start a new life, the students were preparing for their big days till March 2020 arrived. It was the last semester when the outbreak of COVID-19 took place. Before they could understand anything, the Prime Minister of India announced nationwide lockdown. This left the students of first, second and third year batches with one question in their mind. What about our exams? After a while, the authorities announced that every student will be promoted to the next year based on their previous semester performance. There were rumors about online examination as well, says Pooja. However, finally, on the 31st of May 2020, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, announced that the third year students will be passed with an average of their aggregated marks and semester 5th performance. This news spread like fire. Some were dancing in joy to be graduated without giving exams, while many just didn't want to miss the last opportunity of raising their grades. On the 4th of June, I was browsing the internet when I saw a tweet that blew my mind. That the governor of Maharashtra said exams will take place for third year students. This caused anxiety among a lot of undergrads. People are not enabled to enroll for other universities for their future studies, and their career plans have come to a halt. Even now, the final call for their examination is a cliffhanger. However, students from various states are tweeting to the authorities to cancel their exam, since it is not possible to maintain social distancing with so many students under one roof. Most of the students feel that the basic sanitation will not be possible, and the increasing COVID cases have frustrated them in every way, as they will have to travel from one destination to another to give exams. They feel this is just a political mind game played with them. But are the authorities aware of the impact on the students? Since sixth semester plays as the last scoring chance, some of them feel exams should be conducted, as they need to improve their grades. But many are protesting since their syllabus is still not completed, and the increasing cases have left them with a sense of fear to go out in public.
As a final year student, I definitely stand with the CM's decision of cancelling our final year exams. That being said, keeping mental health in perspective here, I believe that exams themselves tend to cause an insane amount of anxiety in students, and now we have the added anxiety of coronavirus. For example, even the shortest errand like going and getting milk causes so much panic in our minds and creates such a fear in our mind. And now the governor tweeted recently saying that our decision will be taken according to the Universities Act, which is not kept in mind when it comes to the first year students or the second year students, and it's just with us. And now if the exams are not cancelled, we have to travel 10 stations far to give our exams in that crowded local, come in contact with 150 people or even more actually, and interact with 15 people. Even the slightest thought of going through that has created such frustration and panic. The decision related to our exams should not be dragged into people's personal political agenda.
If the government conducts exam, will our children be safe? Would there be proper sanitation? And can social distancing be possible in the current situation? Such questions leave every parent in distress, utter panicking situation.